Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 CPU is not running at full speed, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Press Windows plus R to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter to open the power options window. Okay, now go to and click on this option which says change plan settings corresponding to the current power plan. Click on change advanced power settings. Expand processor power management. Expand maximum power processor state. And make sure that both of these are set at 100%. If not, then change it to 100% for both. Click on apply and then on OK. And then click on save changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.